Hello everybody, today I'll show you how to draw this beautiful iPhone with picture inside. So you open a Photoshop, create new, and set size here 300. Okay, create. Go to solid color here, and I want it to be not black. And I want to write this name background. Okay, and then I'm gonna lock it. And you go to create rectangle here, click it and type 370. The height is 740. Create. Okay, so I want to make it in middle here, so this you select here and select the size here, make it 45. Yeah, and the color here, the color of the phone, it's so black. I don't want it black, so black. Yeah, I first right click, convert to smart object. Okay, and right click, blending option. So select view wall here, make this 58 or 53, make this a 40. Okay, and angle here 160. And the color here is white. Yeah, select contour here, make it the range here 50, and select drop shadow here, so make this opacity 35. Okay, distance 45, spread 9, size 40. I want to eat 40. Okay, go to rectangle and create another screen here, 360, and here 720. Okay, select tool, move it. Okay, zoom a little bit. Okay, set the edge here, set it 40 here, and the color here, wow, it's similar. Yeah, like this. So I convert this to smart object. Yeah, so I rename this to screen, and this one to body. So I create another rectangle here. This I want to be 8. This I want to be 740. So I change the color here. I want it to be black. Yeah, select tool here. I want it to be under screen. Yeah, and I duplicate it. Okay, the layer. Okay, move it. Yeah, okay. And I create another rectangle here. Okay, I want it to be 50. Another is 40. The height. 4. And then I change the color here, black. Okay, and I set the edge here to 2. and then I select the tool here, and at the top, so I move here to be here. Then I create another rectangle, so I set 3, and here is 45. Okay. Okay, so I change the color here. I want it to be not black, like this. And the edge here, I set it 1.5. Okay, and then I move it. So I zoom it. And then I right click here, double click layer, move it up at the bottom, double click layer one more. Here, yeah. Okay. Now it's time to insert asset now. So select on screen here, double click here. Yeah, you go this and go to edit. No, edit file. I'm sorry. Place embedded. So select the picture that you want. Just move it up, drag it. Yeah. Drag one more. And right click on it. Create clipping mask. Yeah. And you save it here. Save. So go to your previous editing. You see, very beautiful here. Okay, finish now. But actually, you want to change the background. You can go to background here. Unlock key, and then change the color to any color that you want. Yes, so that's all. You can save it. Okay, I can save it. Save as JPEG. Yeah, so number 1. Okay, go to the folder. You will find it. Yeah. Yes, very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.